Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to teach about typecasting and type conversion. Okay, there are two terms. One is type conversion and another one is casting. Both are doing the same thing, but both are done by different person. Okay, one is done by the compiler itself, another one is done by the programmer. That's the difference here. See, type conversion and casting, what's the use of this means? We can able to change one type of data type into another. For example, I can able to change the float data type into integer. How? For example, 12.00. If I take this precision means it is integer. So like that, both conversion and casting is used to changing of one data type into another. All of you got it? Similarly, integer 12 is converted into 12.0, so it is int to float. Here float to int. Okay, so type conversion is implicit process. Implicit means automatically it should be done. When it will work means while you are evaluating the expression, if the expression has more than one operand with different data type, if the expression has more variables with different data types, while evaluating it will happen. Type conversion should be done automatically. It is a implicit process. That's what I tell. It's automatically done by the compiler. But type casting is the explicit process. It should be done by a programmer depend upon the wish. Okay, that's the difference. So first we can see the conversion, type conversion. When the expression has variables of different data type, to evaluate the data types, automatically it's promote the data type from low level to high level. For example, if you are adding or if you are multiplying with if you are multiplying 10 into 2.0, okay, it is int and it is float. Now what will be the answer? What will be the answer? 10 to the 20, 20.0, it is float. This is the implicit process. If the expression has both int and float, the integer is also converted to float and your output is float. All of you got it? The integer lower data type is promoted to the high level data type. There should be some certain rules. The float operand is always changed to double. If float and double is there means the answer is double. If character and sort is there means the answer is integer. If one operand is double and the another operand is float means automatically the float is changed to double. If one operand is long, another operator is short means operand is short means automatically is changed to long. Okay. See here, this is the hierarchy of data type. The biggest data type is long double, 10 bytes. Double has 8 bytes. Float has 4 bytes. Unsigned long int has 4 bytes. Long int has 4 bytes. Unsigned integer has 2 bytes. Integer also has 2 bytes. Short integer also has 2 bytes and character is 1 byte. So this character and short is changed to integer and integer is changed to unsigned and this unsigned is changed to long int. The long int is changed to unsigned int. Then it is changed into float. It is changed into double. Then it is changed into long double. This is the hierarchy. This is the way it will work. See these examples so you will get the clear idea. First I am including the header files, then starting position. Here I declared 3 types of variables. One is character variable. Here itself I initialized also. The value of ch is 5. Then one integer variable I, one floating point variable f and 2 double variable here d and residence. Now I am getting the input here. Okay. For integer percentage d, for float percentage f, for double it is percentage LF. Here I am getting the input for I, F and D. So here the I value is 10, 11.22 is F, 46.43 is D. All of you got it? Now I am evaluating one expression. See the expression. What is CH value? 5. What is I value? 10. Then what is F value? 11.22 divided by what is I value? 10. And what is D value? 456.43 minus 11.22. See how the implicit process will work. Here I already told, here one character, one integer. So the character is promoted to integer. So your output is integer. Now here one is float. Okay, F is float and I is integer. So this I is promoted to float and the output is float. Here one is float and one is double. So this float is promoted to double and the output is double. So at last float and double. So float and double gives here float, here double. So float and double gives the double output, that is a result. So at last you will get the result in double format. See here, your answer is 462.040000. This is double value. All of you got it? It should be automatically done by the compiler. That's what we say, it is a implicit process. This is type conversion. The next one is type casting. It is called as forced conversion. The compiler won't do any process. As a programmer, we can able to change it. Value of higher data type is converted to lower. Here, every lower only converted to higher. But in type conversion, we can change the higher into lower. For example, your float value is 10.22. If I want to convert it into integer, means it is 10. This is float. This is int. For that, there should be a syntax. Okay, the syntax is first conversion data type, you have to conversion data type, then variable name. That means which data type you have to convert here, that data type you have to place it inside the bracket. Then which variable you want to change, that variable name you have to place it here. See here, your header files, then starting position of your program, float. What's the x value? 1.2. Then I am declaring another one variable, integer. Sum equal to, see here, my desired data type is integer. I want to convert this x into int. So I am putting int of x. So what will happen? The 1.2 will be reduced to 1. So in this position, what's the x value now? 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2. Now I am printing the sum. Inside the sum now, 2 is here. So you will get the output 2. Got it? So the floating point is converted to integer. Then you are performing addition. The answer is stored in the sum. So sum equal to, the output sum equal to will come. It is a integer value. So percentage %d, comma, variable name. Then close the program. I hope you understand this concept, students. Thank you.